What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on my channel Genius Reviews. My name is Ethan and in today's video we're going to be trying Bird's Eye Ultimate Fillet Burgers. So let's get them out and have a look at what they look like before they go in the oven. They're in a bag. Oh, they're actually quite big. So that is what we're dealing with, guys. This is frozen still, obviously. You know, it looks good, looks southern fried, looks tasty, flavorful, quite thick. So, Chicken Shop Ultimate Fillet Burgers. So, obviously I'm going to add more things. That is not an ultimate fillet burger. There's nothing ultimate about that. That's just plain. That's just plain as a day. So, they go in for 25 minutes. These are £3 in Asda's also. So, let's get them in, cook them up, and then let's get back to you with the extra ingredients and the ultimate burger. And then let's see how it goes. So guys, I am back after what seemed like the longest 25 minutes of my life. I can't wait to eat it. It looks and smells amazing. I've crafted my burger and it consists of the chicken, which is what we get for the burger. I've obviously got chips on the side. We've got a hash brown in there, 2 pieces of smoked crispy bacon, 2 slices of cheese. This is like, obviously that cheese is the only cheese you can use on a burger because it just makes them absolutely banging. So there's my burger, guys. Gonna add a little red sauce. For me, every burger has to have tomato sauce. I've just put some on. So there's the size of the burger and the chips. I've packed it with stuff. Now it says the ultimate burger on the packet. I had to craft the ultimate burger. I couldn't just leave it as a plain chicken burger. But what I will do is I've cut a piece off so that we can see the inside. Smells like southern fried chicken. So if you see if it's got the same takeaway taste that they say they have on the box. So this is the burger. So to start off with, the southern fried chicken flavors there. I wouldn't say takeaway. I wouldn't say it tastes like a takeaway chicken, but it tastes good. The southern fried coating's nice and thick. There's a lot of flavor on there. The chicken's nice and it's not dry. It's nice and succulent, it's good. So, only one thing to do now. Let's get another look at that burger. So as I've said, in there we got chicken, hash brown, 2 slices of crispy bacon, 2 slices of cheese, and tomato sauce. So guys, this is the burger. This is what it looks like. Bird's Eye takeaway chicken, the ultimate chicken burger. Or the ultimate chicken fillet, should I say. Let's get it. So as I'm going to say, taste-wise, it is amazing. I can obviously adding the bacon, the hash brown, and the cheese just makes it better. But the burger tastes really good. Tastes actually like takeaway. So for £3 for 2 burgers, $1.50 each, you can't go wrong. If you can craft a masterpiece, it may not look great, but it tastes outstanding. So the burger, I'm gonna give it a rating. I'll probably go for an 8. It's gonna be an 8. It's high end. It's not matching takeaways. But it's a good burger. It's a good solid meaty burger. Added with a hash brown and a bacon. So if anyone has actually ate this before, please let me know in the comments what you thought of it. Also, I want to know, did you add anything to yours to make it better? Or if you like chicken burgers, what do you add to them to make them better? So for me, this is good. This is really, really good. What a great combination. If you wanted to create the ultimate burger, putting the 2 burgers into one would have been amazing. The taste, I can't even, it is southern fried chicken, but when the bacon hash browns and cheese come to it. It's like almost KFC, not quite obviously the coatings, but it's just like a normal southern fried burger. It has that flavour, got mayo, tomato sauce in there. All it's missing is a little bit of spice, or a little bit more herbs and spices as KFC do, to make it absolutely perfect. However, for a burger you can craft at home, it's an 8 out of 10. It's a solid, flavourful burger. And it's big, you know? So let's give a conclusion. Overall, the flavour is amazing. I wouldn't say it tastes just like a takeaway, but it's definitely a really good southern fried burger. The flavours coming off it are amazing. I added bacon, hash brown, tomato sauce, cheese, and it's made it 10 times better. I would 100% recommend. I would eat it again. This has been the ultimate chicken fillet burger from Bird's Eye, bought for £3 in Asda's. And it's worth a shot. You know, if you're looking for that chicken shop night in, definitely give it a crack. It's 100% worth it. So don't forget to follow my Twitter handle for more upcoming competitions I'll be running. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you subscribe to the channel, there's going to be competitions running off here as well in the future, so please stay looking forward to those. And for now guys, my name is Ethan. This has been my review of the chicken shop style ultimate chicken fillet burger from Bird's Eye, and I'll see you guys in the next video.